Chef Katherine here today with a bomb-rate Greek chicken souvlaki recipe for you today. I'm taking it back to my heritage with this. It's so good, so easy, and let me show you how to make it. So first, we're gonna start with our, I wanna look at you.
I know.
I wanna look at you. Okay. First, we are going to prep our chicken breast. 3 chicken breasts here, Big Daddies. I'm actually gonna cut them lengthwise first. We're gonna do like 1-inch cubes because we are going to skewer these. Souvlaki in Greek means meat on a skewer. That's the name. Okay, I'm gonna cut all my chicken breast. I am not always a chicken breast fan. I love a chicken thigh, but the air fryer, they're so tender, so good, they don't dry out. So I'm kind of converted. Well, I still love chicken thighs, but I'm gonna wash my hands. Not trying to cross-contaminate. Now we're going to put our marinade together. You can do this in a Ziploc, or you can do it in a bowl first and whisk it, but the easier the better, right? Okay, olive oil, oregano, obviously, cumin, coriander, black pepper, paprika, salt, and pepper, and thyme. Now, you can also add garlic to this. Most people serve a chicken souvlaki with Tzatziki, which is a garlicky Greek cucumber yogurt. And since that's pretty garlicky, you could omit the garlic from the marinade, but up to you. Okay, now we're gonna put that chicken in, seal it, give it a good toss. Does anyone remember the shake weight? Okay, so if you're in a rush, a minimum of 1 hour will do it for marinating this chicken. But if you have the opportunity to give it a 24-hour marinade, so much better. Then you pop it in the air fryer for 9 minutes. Donezo, so good. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge. Now, we are gonna preheat our TurboBlaze to 425, which only takes 4 minutes. Press start. Now, we're gonna skewer the chicken. There's paprika in the marinade. We don't need our mayonnaise stained. I don't have a Manny. I don't have time. Okay. I love, not just because I'm Greek, but I love Greek flavors. I love herbs, spices, marinades, vinaigrettes. So flavorful, so easy. My kids like it. It's a win-win. I also like that this is a good size air fryer. Before I got my Cosori air fryer, that was a lot of the word air fryer in one sentence. Before I got my air fryer, I've seen so many that are so tiny. The basket, it's like a party of one. I have 2 kids and a husband. This is a solid size. It's ready. Okay, take out our basket, grab our tongs, get these. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. And this is a lot of meat. Back in, we're gonna press roast, 9 minutes. Unheard of. Start. Let me just wait. It's done. I mean, that was so easy. These look amazing. So we're gonna garnish these daddies with a little fresh parsley. So pretty. And then let's taste it. First I'm gonna get a little pita, rip a piece off. I mean, you can make a sandwich with this too. That's hot. And then solid dollop of tzatziki. Little red onion, little cuke, lemon wedge. This is so good. Give it a try. Bomb. Wow. I was probably only supposed to take 1 bite, but delicious. The chicken is so tender, juicy, flavorful. This is awesome. This is such a delicious recipe. You've got to try it. It's easy, it's quick. The whole family will love it. Weeknight recipe. Be sure to follow us and we'll be looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.